Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Didi. Today I would like to share a quick recipe with you guys, which is my corned beef and egg stew. And to do that, I have my sliced onions and tomatoes, my chopped garlic and ginger, some dried herbs, my tomato paste, and my corned beef. Not shown as the spices that I use to season this. As always, full ingredients will be in the description box. So we fry our onions, dry herbs, and the chopped garlic and ginger. Then I go in with my tomatoes. I seasoned the onions with some curry powder and some red pepper before adding the tomatoes. So I like these two to fry first before I go in with the tomato paste like this. And once the tomato paste is in there, I like to rinse the can or tin of tomatoes before with some water and pour it in there. As you can see, this is Tasty Storm, so I'm still in Ghana. Then I season my stew with my preferred spices and stir it in all together. I added some more oil because I wanted my stew to cook faster, but it's a personal preference, guys. Then I go in with my eggs. You can beat your eggs before adding it to your stew and it's totally fine, but this is how I like to do my egg stew. And once my egg cooks in the stew for a while and it's no longer yellow, I stir it in, making sure I don't break it too much. And here is our stew with just the eggs. So I am cutting here my corned beef before adding it to the stew as a personal preference. As always, cooking, you do it the way you like it. So I dropped in my sliced or my chopped or my cut corned beef and I stirred it quickly. I didn't overstir my stew because I didn't want the corned beef to crush in there. And here is our corned beef stew, guys, all done. You can serve this with rice, with yam, whatever you want, and it's delicious. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.